today we're gonna do a different video. We're gonna be using the Color Oops remover, Color Oops hair color remover. It's supposed to move any box dye if you like messed up on your hair or whatever, or just for example if you just didn't like the color that your box dye came out and you just want to remove it. So this is a, wait, what can I say, this is like a healthier version of removing it without bleach, and it says right there ammonia free and bleach free. So this is supposed to remove it, and my hair is brown right now. Yeah, I don't know if it removes any semi-permanent hair colors, but I know for a fact it does remove any box hair dye. So we're gonna give this a try. And remember, I am not a professional, I am not licensed, but I do have practice on my own hair, and if you are planning to do this, take this at your own risk. Please, I don't want to hear any negative comments about anything that happened to your hair or anything. Like I said, take it at your own risk. But if you want to see how I do my hair, okay, so this is the Color Oops. My hair is, you know, 1 day dirty because I can't do no 2 days, but 1 day dirty, and I think that's dirty enough for me to do it with this. And we're gonna open the box. So this is how it says right here, the directions. It says bleached. Oh, before you dye your hair a brown or black or whatever color you dyed it, brown, reddish brown, whatever, it's supposed to bring back to the hair color that you did have it. So we're gonna give it a try, because before this my hair was blonde. And depending on your hair, how thick it is or how long you have it, you might need more than one. So it's really up to you. And look, it does have different ones. We're using this one. This is the, I think the Color Oops hair color remover extra conditioning though. And these are different types of color from the same brand but different purposes for it. But we're using the Color Oops extra strength color remover. So it comes with this. Comes a little thing in gloves. So the gloves is just little plastic gloves. Comes with this, instructions. Comes with this, step 2. Then it comes with step 1. And it stinks. I know what I'm telling you. It stinks. So if you plan to have any people over, don't. It smells disgusting, but anything for beauty. So we're gonna put 1 into 2. So put all that in there. I'm in love. Overall, with the Color Oops thing, I do give it a like a 8 out of 10, because the smell's really bad, and it still smells on my hair a little bit. Even though I washed it like plenty of times, but I guess like with the washes it should be like fading away, like the smell of it. But overall I give it a 8, because it did remove the like all the dark brown, like the brown that I had right here, and like it literally reversed my hair color, like the color that I had before, and it reversed it back, and I'm in love, because it didn't damage my hair either. And if you're trying to reverse, say you dye your hair a different color and you just don't like it, like I was saying though, if you do dye your hair like a black or a brown or a red, that's box hair dye, like drugstore hair dye, like a Garnier, L'Oreal, Revlon, whatever other brands. But if it's a box hair dye and you want to, you know, reverse it back to the hair color that you did have it before, this could possibly work for you. I know if you have black hair, it'll reverse it to more like an orange, but mine's is like in between, like it's like a honey blonde right now. So I like it. I give it a thumbs up, and you know, it kind of matches with these glasses right now with the filter. But I like it, and you know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You know, comment down below if you want to see any other videos. You know, share, follow my social media, Instagram, and yeah, thanks. We're gonna be using the Sparks Long Lasting Bright Hair Color in Magenta. This is what the box looks like, and then it comes like this, Sparks Magenta. And you don't need developer for this, and we're gonna use the Manic Panic hot pink, and we're gonna mix those together. I also got an extra one just in case because my hair is thick. Yeah, I'm gonna use that just in case. But we're gonna mix these and just add them to our hair. No developer, non-damaging, damaging, and it's gonna be semi-permanent. They're semi-permanent, so that means it washes off, and they're not permanent. So, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna be using this cape. I don't know what it's called, but you put it around you so that way you don't get it on your clothes. We're gonna use this, and then we're gonna get started. Okay, so now we have our gloves on, and we're gonna dump this magenta from Sparks into the bowl. And that's what that looks like. It's a little bit more darker than the hot pink from Manic Panic, but it's fine. Remind you, my hair is not that light, but it is on the like honey blonde kind of side, so it should take. So we're gonna squeeze that all into there, and then we're gonna dump this in there. So now we're gonna dump that in there.